In this tutorial, I will show you how to open current Simulink model in previous version of Simulink. Okay, for that you have to go MATLAB online. This is the simplest way. Okay, and click enter and go to MATLAB online, and here open MATLAB online, and click on open MATLAB online basic. This is the home tab of MATLAB online. See any of the video on YouTube. Here I have a model, Simulink model SPWM, which is made on MATLAB 2023B. And if you want to run this on MATLAB 2019, for that you have to just drag this here and click OK. Okay. Now double click on this model, in which model you want to convert to lower version or previous version. Okay. Now here is the task. What you have to do is to click on save here, the small icon, and click on previous version. Okay, and here if you check on the type, here you will see all the version. Now I want to convert this to MATLAB 2019B model. Okay, click on this and rename it to another name. Okay, now save this. Okay, your model was created to a previous version. Okay, now I'm minimize this, and this is your model. Okay, and you may download it from here. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks for watching.